Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about leg tightness in patients who have stroke. Usually you can see the positions, the legs are tight and it is rotated inside. So what you can do in this situation is, first we will open up from that position. So with the other foot you will drag the foot outside, you will push it down, keep taking it down and then stretch it. Then the normal foot you will open up, so you can see the pattern is not present now and the foot is open up to the side. In this position you will do some pressure points release for the hip joint. You can do it at the joint area, you can do it on the hip anteriorly, do some circular movements, especially your joint line. Take it all the way down. Bring it all the way down to your knee as much as you can. Onto the sides. Once you are relaxed, your hip will open up. Now again use the good leg and try to lift up the leg and bring it back. Yes, very good. Now once you are in this position, we will do some active range of motions. If there is no movement, you can use the assistance of the normal leg to do the movements. You will put it under the affected leg and then you will lift up the foot. Slowly lift up, bend it and then straighten up slowly. Again take it other way around, take the foot other way around and push it. Again bend the knee, switch the leg outside and take it inside and then push the leg. After that we will do some abduction movements. So with the sound leg, normal leg, you can push the leg outside little bit and then take it inside, push it out again and then again come back to the normal. So this is the abduction and adduction movement what you will do. Now we have to bend both the knees, so you will use the normal leg to bend the affected leg. You will drag it, very good, and then place the heel properly. You will make sure you are stabilizing the foot proper, and then for the extensors we will push the hips slightly up and relax. Again keep pushing it up as much as you can. Make sure the foot is stable, planted on the couch, and relax. Slowly take the sound leg inside the affected leg and straighten up. Yes. So this is how you can maintain your hip range of motions, relieve the tightness and stretches, and it will help you to break the synergy. I hope you find the video useful. Thank you.